You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character in Harry Potter, or Harry Potter. If you want to learn more character names that are confusing and more vocabulary from the books and the movies, the series, stay tuned. Many more for you at the end of this video. Minerva, McGonagall, not Gonagal. Minerva McGonagall, it's easy. Minerva McGonagall, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.